If you're still looking for desserts to bring to Thanksgiving dinner, try making this strawberry sago. Cut the strawberries into cubes and then place it into the bowl with some syrup from the Nata de Coco jellies. This will sweeten the strawberries. Now we're going to cook the sago for 10 minutes, then cover this with a lid and let this sit for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's going to be clear and translucent, and then you're going to drain and rinse this with cold water. Add the sago to the bowl of strawberries, and then you're going to add some condensed milk, the Nata de Coco jellies, half and half, which is sold this way, and it's just half milk and half cream mix, and then mix everything together. Then cover this and refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving, and you can serve this with or without ice.
Did you know that we should be eating broccoli every single day? What better way than to snack on these crispy Parmesan broccoli chips? Parboil your large florets for a few minutes. Sprinkle a sheet pan with shredded parm, then add on the veggies to smash. Top with seasonings and bake until crusty. Now love your life.